Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Hanifa Shahira Freddy, and in today's occasion, I would like to present to you regarding my business plan, second assignment, natural co-working space. So this is regarding the Porter 5 Force analysis about natural co-working space in Lampung. So regarding the rate of new entrants, it is more likely to be low to moderate, especially in region with high demand and low competition like Lampung. New entrants could still emerge. And the second is regarding the bargaining power of buyers. So in here, in the co-working space, customer will have the flexibility to choose different co-working space based on factors like price, location, and amenities, and they can also switching costs that can be relatively low. And the third is the bargaining power of the supplier. So the bargaining power of supplier in the co-working space is that low to moderate. So in here, suppliers also include providers of office furniture, technology equipment, coffee and snacks, and other amenities. Or as a treat of substitute product or service. This is low to moderate because customers have few alternatives that offer the same combination of amenities, community, and the natural environment that came from the other competitors. And the fifth, regarding the intensity of competitive rivalry, it is moderate to high because co-working space also have competition between the cafe that providing also the service as the co-working space. So this will likely to be the competitive rivalry about co-working space in Lampung. And this is the advantages for being the first in market. So being the first in market, especially in the co-working space, can allow me as an owner to build a strong relationship with the customer and fostering loyalty over the time. So here, the customer that experience the unique benefit of my natural co-working space are more likely to become loyal advocate for my brand and recommend my service to others. So this is why I'm more likely to pushing the loyalty toward the customer for being the first in the market, especially in Lombok. So this is the strategic direction about the natural co-working space. So one strategic direction that I could pursue in here is about expanding and diversifying my natural co-working space offering. So this means that I want to be likely more opening location in that is having high demand both within Indonesia, but here I think that it will likely to focus in Lampung. And additionally, I think about adding new amenities or service to attract different type of customer so I can reach more people and trying to make my co-working space even more appealing to a wide range of professional. For example, about how adding service, I can add about cafe or I can add about another easier or fun game to be put. So they're not only stuck regarding their work or about the co-working space, but they can also find other service that can appealing for the customer as well. So what made me believe that this natural co-working space will succeed? So actually, people, from my perspective, it is entirely reasonable for my natural co-working space to succeed for several key reasons. First off, there's a clear and growing demand for co-working space globally, and we know that the work culture and the rise of remote work and entrepreneurship is something that are proposing the most because people not only work from office by now, but they can also work from other spaces, which this natural co-working space can be something that they can use. And the second, by offering a wellness benefit. So what is the meaning of the wellness benefit? Because I'm combining a nature and a working space, so it can help to boost productivity and reducing the stress of the employer. And the third is regarding the sustainability. So in here, I want my space to become a commitment to eco-friendly practice and green initiative that align with the value of environmentally conscious professionals. So I think that with a combination regarding the clear growing demand, the wellness benefit, and the sustainability, it can be mean that I have something that's well positioned to thrive in today's market competition. So regarding the mission statement is that at Natural Co-working Space, our main goal is to offer a cool workspace that's good for you and the planet, especially for the employer. So we want to create a chill environment where people feel inspired and happy while they work. So by bringing nature indoors and focusing on being eco-friendly, we aim to help you to be the best of yourself, and we're all about building a friendly community where you can meet cool people and learn new things and grow together. This is the end of my second presentation. Thank you very much.